So the best market in South Florida coastal condos. Remember, I mentioned from the Coral Gables all the way up to West Palm Beach. Best market in South Florida right now, as of August, Little Havana. Miami's Little Havana. So this is going to be the area west of Interstate 95. It'll take you to 27th Avenue. It's then going to take you from the river all the way down to about Coral Way or so. That's our rough estimate of it. And again, South Florida 7.33, Miami-Dade County 7.01. What does Little Havana come in at? 13.85. So it is performing twice as strong as what you're going to have in all of South Florida. One reason I would argue is that people who are in Greater Downtown Miami, they want to invest, they want to participate. Maybe they see rents. They know if they go on the other side of Interstate 95, they're going to be able to have the same access to all the same type of stuff. Might not look as good, and you probably have a hell of a lot more chickens wandering around. But that being said, you probably could get much better value. So, Jenny, am I right? Am I wrong? What's your feeling of Little Havana?
First of all, congratulations for putting this index, because that gives you intel. Who does that? Only Peter Zalewski. No question. No question. There's nobody that put the stats together like that. Why? Because you know the market, you know the difference in the neighborhoods, and that's why you have 23 markets. Most people that are out there putting the numbers together, they take either cities or they take counties, but they don't take neighborhoods, and that makes a whole difference. Kudos to you, and if you need intelligence, you definitely had to join Peter's Club. Yes, people is saying, I cannot get a condo in recall for less than, let's say, $600,000, but I can probably get a duplex for $600,000 in Little Havana. Maybe I rent half of it and I live in the other half. So I think there's a lot of people looking specifically for this sort of properties, and I see why. The reason why I think is moving is because the prices have been adjusted. Because I was looking for things like that for a investor that wanted a bunch of them, but I was like, what, $1 million for a duplex that is falling apart? Come on, guys. So yeah, I think the correction, it could be 10% across the board, but when you look in a specific location or a specific properties, might be 30%. So I can see that happening, and why this market is performing better.
It's the value proposition. It's more affordable.